Welcome to my class. Today we are going to talk about Eco 292 Seminar 2. And this course is a seminar course and it is for second year, second semester. And of course, it's a lab course. Let's start with the main task of this course. Now, one of you, can you tell me what is written in your syllabus? And then I will discuss what you have to do.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Let me write down. Main task.
So firstly, we select 3 topics from our interested field.
So task number 1. What is the task number 1?
Firstly, we selected 3 topics from our interested field.
Select what?
Select at least 3 topics from our interested field.
Don't discard this. At least. What is the meaning of at least?
Not less than 3.
Not less than. So 3 topics. Select at least 3 topics. That means it could be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first task is to select 3 topics from your field of interest. Field of interest in economics. It is not outside economics, okay? Should be coming from journal article, okay? Journal article, then
book, chapter, or seminar proceeding.
Book, chapters, then seminar proceeding, and other research paper, others, maybe research paper. Okay, all right. So what is the second task? Second task is to create synopsis. Okay, create what? Synopsis. And this synopsis is just summary from your topics, selected topics. That means from these sources. Okay, right? Then what is the next task? Task number 3.
Structure of any research paper. Structure of any research paper.
No. You have already created synopsis. What is the next task? It is creation of PowerPoint slides for presentation. All right. So third task is to create PPT slides for presentation. Okay. And in this class, we are going from 1 to 3. So first, select your topic, and then you create synopsis from the selected sources. Sources may be from journal articles, maybe from book chapters, maybe seminar proceedings, maybe other research papers. Okay. And then third is to create PPT slides for presentation. And what is the fourth? Present your summary. Okay. Actually, present your PPT. Let me ask you, how many tasks you have in this course?
Sir, 4.
It is already
Four
four
tasks.
tasks. Then what are them?
Sir,
Firstly, select at least 3 topics, and that is create synopsis, and third is create PowerPoint slides for presentation, and fourth is present your summary, our summary.
Okay. So the task number 1 is very easy, right? So you have to select your topics of your field of interest in economics. And these are the 4 sources. Okay. Second task is to create synopsis. That means summary from your selected sources. Maybe you have taken 5 journal article or 3 journal article, 2 book chapters, or maybe seminar proceedings, or in others you may add some working paper also. Okay, working paper. Working paper is also a source of topic. Now, in the next slide, we are going to see how to create synopsis. This is task number 2. And in your syllabus, it was written that you have to maintain, first you have to write down a cover page. So you have to give a cover page. Okay. And what are the cover page? Cover page should contain title. Cover page should contain name of the student. After title, maybe date. Then name of the student. Okay. Then name of the supervisor. Then maybe or may not be, you are going to use some after the name of the supervisor, you must write down the name of the department, and then university. Okay. Okay. So Department of Economics, Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. You may use logo of our university, but not big. It should be small size, as small as possible. Okay, not that much. You must do it some like this. Okay, or maybe less than this. Small logo, and it must be placed maybe here, or maybe at the beginning of this paper, or maybe here. So if this is your first page or cover page, before title, I must add something. Before title, you must write down your course name. You write down Eco 297, maybe seminar 2, seminar 2. Okay, so maybe seminar 2 is here, and Eco 297 in the bracket. And then you write down the title and date and the name of the student, name of the supervisor, and make this cover page look academic. Okay, not that much clumsy. Okay, look academic. All right, so first one is your cover page, and it is very easy to do. You can do it immediately. Okay, so first write down your title and then date. These are all very easy. Date is easy. Name of your of the student, name of the students actually. Okay, students. Name of the supervisor is easy. Department is easy, but title is not easy. So how to write title? Title writing. In title writing, you must be very precise. Okay, short. It must reflect the objective of the whole papers you have selected. Okay, so your title should be short. Your title should reflect the objectives of all papers you have selected. Okay, and it must attract the audience. The reason of this attraction is that if you write down a very good title, if you formulate a very good title, readers or audience will be attracted to read your paper or synopsis or your article. Otherwise, he or she will just read your title and go away. So make sure that your audience feel attracted and do not go away. Any question?
জি স্যার স্যার আমাদের তো 3টা টপিক সিলেক্ট করা লাগবে, তো এই নামগুলা কি মেনশন করা লাগবে কোথাও?
Not in the cover page, not in the cover page. Maybe in the next page, before the introduction. Not in the cover page. We are in the cover page now. We just see the cover page. So in the cover page, never you should not mention what topics you have selected, because suppose you have selected 10 papers. So there's no space for these 10 papers here. So better, if you have more papers, then make it in the reference list. Okay. Reference list. All right. If you have only 3 papers, then mention it in the before introduction or in the introduction. Okay. Maybe you are mentioning that we have, in this way, we have selected 3 topics, and these are mentioned below. Start in this manner. But if you have more than 5 or more than 10 papers, so give them, refer in the reference list. Refer them in the reference list, better. Because 10 papers should be placed in the reference list, not in any place in the synopsis. Okay, understood?
জি স্যার
Okay, cover page is done. So what is the next? After cover page, you have to again you have to write down the title. In the next page, you are going to remind by writing the title, and then you are going to write down the abstract. And abstract must not be more than 150. 150 to at best 200 words. And this abstract are gist of all papers you have read. So not more than 200 words. Gist of all papers you have read. So suppose you have read 7 papers. So from 7 papers, you are maybe you can read all abstract from all papers. And you make some summary of all abstracts and make the abstract of your synopsis. Okay. So abstract in your synopsis is abstract of all papers. In your topic, within your topic. Okay, so abstract is not that much tough. It is easy. Okay, then you are going to write down some keywords. And keywords you can from all papers select some keywords, and journal article have some keywords after the abstract, so you must select them. Select some keywords and then put them here. Not more than 5 keywords. Suppose you have 7 papers, so maybe you could have some 35 keywords. Okay, but these 35 keywords are maybe not related to your title. Maybe some 10 keywords may be related to your title. Okay, so select best 5 keywords from this 10. Okay, so by using exclusion principle. Okay, so deduct them and make it 5, and place these 5 keywords here. Okay. All right. So this is your second item. And then you are going to write down introduction. Introduction. And introduction, what you are going to do, you are going to write down some introductory notes taken from all papers introduction. Okay. And this introduction should be in your voice, not in their voice, in your voice. And what is in your voice? I always give you an example. Suppose you are in Sylhet, okay, and you are going to Dhaka, maybe by train. And it is a long journey, right? And so if it is a long journey, you must see some maybe some farmers are working in the field. Working in the paddy field, maybe, or maybe some tea garden. Women are plucking tea leaf. Okay, tea leaves. So these are all scenarios you are just looking through the window, okay? Through the window. And if I ask you that describe your journey, so you are going to describe what you are, what you have seen through the window, right? It is not that you come down from the train and just work in the field or pluck tea leaves, or maybe you are seeing something. So you must describe in your voice, must not do this work. Okay, am I clear? You must describe others' work in your voice. So if you have 5 papers, your introduction should be like this. So maybe suppose 5 papers is written by John, maybe 2015, maybe Samuel, maybe 2019 or 18. So paper number 1, paper number 2, paper number 3, maybe suppose what can I say? Suppose Milton 2020. These are 3 papers you have selected. Okay. So from these 3 papers, you read their introduction. Okay. And you have to say that something like that. In article by maybe John 2005, then you have written something here, or maybe like this. John argued that John 2005, 2010, no, not 5 actually, 15. 2015 argued that so you are going to write down something, okay? Or you are going to write down something like this. So you have written something and you say that after the sentence you write down in this way. So maybe John, 2015. Okay. So these are the style, and this style is called referencing. Referencing. You see, there are two styles. This is one style and this is another style. One is you start with John and then you, tell something. And other is you tell something and finish with the reference. Okay, so these are three styles of referencing. There is another style of referencing. I'm writing on the top. Another style of referencing is called quotation. Quotation is something like you are just cut and paste the narration of John. So you just use the inverted comma and then write down something which is directly taken from the John. And then you write down, finish the sentence and then use the reference, that's John 2015, page 125. If the page is single, and if the page is more than single, if the quotation is distributed to more than one pages, then PP 125 to 123, 26. Okay, so PP is for plural page number, and P is for single page number. Okay, so this is the style for quotation. So you can maintain three referencing style. One is you just start with the writer's name, and then the second style is you just start your own narration and then refer the person. And then another style is style number 3 is, this is style number, these two are style number 1, and these are style number 2, and this is style number 3. We'll talk more about referencing in the later part. Okay, when we are talking about the referencing. All right. Okay. Now, after introduction, introduction should be in your own voice, and introduction may contain, should be the summary of introduction of your selected paper, of your selected papers. All right. Then, so we have taken first title, and then abstract, and then keywords, and then introduction. 4.
স্যার আমার একটা প্রশ্ন ছিল স্যার
Yeah, carry on.
কোটেশনের ক্ষেত্রে স্যার আপনি তিনটা স্টাইল দেখাইছেন স্যার
No, no, no.
কি
It is,
একাধিক?
quotation is third one. Style of reference is 1, 2, and 3. The first one is their voice directly in your voice.
জি স্যার
And second is your voice, which is similar to their voice. So first one is John's voice in your voice. Second one is your voice, which is similar to John's voice. And third one is absolutely direct from John. So these are 3
sir.
style of referencing. So this referencing style is called in-text reference. In-text reference. In-text reference. Okay.
জি স্যার
And in the reference section, I will tell you what is in-text, how to write in-text.
স্যার ইনটেক্সট রেফারেন্স এবং যে আলাদা অন্য যে দুইটা স্টাইল আছে এই দুইটার মধ্যে কি পার্থক্য শুধু ওই যে পেজ
No. All are in-text reference. Referencing is 1, 2, 3. Okay. All are called in-text reference.
জি স্যার গট ইট
And another referencing is called out of text reference. Out of text or end text reference. And text reference. And this end text reference is nothing but reference. And this style 1, 2, 3 is called in text reference. Okay. In text referencing style. So these are called manual, style manual. And style manual has different style. You can use APA, American Psychological Association, maybe called MLA style, maybe called Chicago style, Harvard style. Okay. So these are called manual style. Okay. You must follow one style. That means if you follow APA, then you must follow APA in all throughout your synopsis or paper. If you follow Chicago style, you must follow Chicago throughout the paper. In the in-text referencing, if suppose you have a paper, I mean, written by 2 person, suppose John Michael and suppose Milton maybe Friedman. Okay, they have written paper in 2015. Okay, so how do you use their paper in in-text citation? In the in-text citation, you must write in this way. So this is the last name. This is the last name. So you have to write down last name first. And Friedman. comma 2015. Okay. This style is when you for style number 2. In the previous page, this style number 2. So Michael and Friedman, comma 2015 for style 2. Okay. For style 1, you have to write down Michael and Friedman bracket 2015 are good that. Okay. And it is for style number 1. And for style number 2, you are writing something and you are finishing with this in-text reference. So your voice is here, your own voice is here, and which is matched by their voice. So you are writing in this way. And the first is their voice in your language. So are good that. Clear? Second style. And third style is, I have already told you about the third style. So in this way, maybe, Michael and Friedman. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If single person, just write down the last name of the single person. If more than 2, suppose 3 or 4, 3 to 4, then how do you write this? You write in this way. So 3 to 4. So you have to write down Michael et al. Et means and al means others. So Michael, comma et al 2015. So no other name will be coming here. Okay. All right. These are the for more than 3 to 4 person. If you are referencing them, then you write down in this way. So similarly in here also, but in the second style, brackets should start from here and end from here. In the first style, brackets is only for the year. All right. Clearly understood these 2 methods?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And third method is similar to them. Okay. Similar to the second method. But page number should be there. Why page number is needed? Do you have
Because
any idea why page number is needed?
স্যার আমি যে আইডিয়া বা থটটা দিতেছি এটা একজন অলরেডি একজন লেখক অথবা একজন
No.
পাবলিশার এটা
The idea is in the third page number is there because the idea is you are just cut and paste his voice, right? Or his narration. That's why you cannot change anything. If you use inverted comma, then you cannot change anything. So you must put page number here. But in the first and second place, it is your voice, your narration taken from their narration. That means the idea is similar. All right. In the second case, idea is similar, but in the first case, your idea and their idea is quite similar. So that's why there is no need for page number here. But in the third case, page number must be there because you are cutting and pasting their narration. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have taken title, we have taken abstract, keywords, introduction, and then we are going to see some objective, similar method, objective and there also should be in your narration. Fourth one is objective. And you must take objective from all papers, all taken from all papers objective. And described in your narration, using their work. Never say in this way that it is your work. Okay. So whole synopsis, remember, whole synopsis should be in your narration, in your voice, but their work. Don't tell your audience that it is your work, okay? It must be remembered. Your voice or your narration, but their work. So you have to tell that Michael argued that, or Friedman argued that, or I mean, the idea is theirs, not yours. Clear? So objective is
sir.
after objective, you must write down something about literature review. Same thing, your narration, their work, okay? Or your narration and the literature written in their work, okay? Then you are going to write down some methodology or research method. Now, can you tell me what is the difference between research methodology and research methods? Any idea? They are similar, but not the same. Methodology is a broad idea. This broad idea contains data collection, first sampling, second data collection method, okay? Then data analysis, then findings. Okay, these are all part of methodology. Not findings actually, no, not findings, but the data analysis, up to data analysis. Up to this. These are called research methodology. Okay. And research method is not so much broad. It may be only simply, data and methods. Data and methods or simply data collection methods. Data collection method. Okay. This I mean, smaller sense is called research method, or and methodology is the broader sense. It includes sampling, from sampling to data collection method, and data analysis, and between methods and data analysis, there are some data processing and data analysis. Okay, so similarly, you should write down in your narration from the sources you have selected. Okay. And then it is maybe 5, it is 6, then 7 is findings, 8 is discussion, and 9 is conclusion, and 10 is references. Okay. Methodology, findings, discussions, and conclusion all are same method in your narration from the sources you have selected. Okay. What about referencing? This reference is called end text referencing. And text referencing. And what is the style? Suppose I am using APA, and what is the style? Style is, suppose our previous example, John Michael. So Michael comma last name comma first and middle name in short, maybe M dot, and Friedman comma Milton, means M dot, and then year 2015, and then and then a dot, then title of the paper. So title of the paper, and then comma, then name of the journal, comma, and publishing house, suppose Sage Publication. Then stop. So this is for journal article. The other is called for book, or maybe other sources are there. So if single person, then just use this single person's name and then same. But if more than 3, you have to maintain all this name, all the name but don't use et al here. Et al here. No et al. No et al in and text. Et al is only for what? In text.
থ্রি নাম্বার যেটা বলছেন
No et al in and text reference. Yes, in text reference. Okay. Clear?
ইয়েস স্যার
All right. So these are the format of your synopsis. And I have said that you have, what are your tasks? Main task is we have done this one, we have done this one. Now we are going to discuss about 3 and 4. So what is 3? Creation of PPT slide. So you are going to convert your synopsis into PPT. So what are the process? Process is just suppose this is your slide. Okay, in this slide you must have some title. Okay, so first title is just similar to first slide is similar to your cover page. Okay, second title, second slide should have some headline and some bullet points. Okay, and what are the rule for bullet point? In a single slide, never use more than 5 bullets. In one bullet, never use more than 2 sentences. Okay, not more than 2 sentences. So this is the common rule. You may use picture, but not clumsy one. Okay, not clumsy one. And it must be relevant. You may use animation, but not too much or too complex. Okay, so these are the rule for PowerPoint. Last slide should be Thanksgiving. Thanks and question answer session. I mean question answer. Second question. Last slide. What is the fourth point? Can you remind me what is the fourth point?
Presentation.
Presentation, how to present, right? There are some rules for presentation. Rule number 1. Never read your bullets word by word. So what is the action? Action should be memorize what is inside a slide. Memorize a slide content. Memorize the content and recall from memory, not slide. So from this, you are going to take point number 2. Never look at the screen. You can sometimes look at the monitor, but always keep eye contact with the audience. And of course, not a single person, but multiple person. Okay, multiple persons. And in presentation, follow the rule for CAST, C-A-S-T. Any idea?
No, sir.
C is for content. Your slide should have attractive content. Attractive contents. I mean, audience can audience are attracted. And this A is for audience. You must judge the audience, okay? Same topic can be delivered to maybe children, maybe middle age, or adult, or maybe old age. So you must judge them. Same topic, you must change the content for children, change the content for middle age, change the content for old age. So audience should be judged. Okay. So first item is content, and this second item is audience. Content should be according to the audience, okay? And content should be attractive. Okay. And audience should be attracted, eye contact, never see big screen, sometimes monitor, but always audience. Why? Why is that? Because of the attraction. So attracted, audience attraction is, so why attraction is needed? So you should engage your audience. Okay, engage your audience. And what is S stand for? Is to make audience engaged, you must follow the style of delivery. Style of delivery. So in style of delivery, you must follow the this rule: eye contact, never see the big screen. Sometimes you can see the monitor, but always keep eye contact with the audience. Style of delivery. Your pronunciation should be standard. Should be standard. Your accent should also be standard. No noise. Etc. Now tell me, what is T? What is T?
Text হবে maybe.
No, text is content. T is for time bound. You must be in time. You must know from where to start, and where to finish within time, within stipulated time. As an examiner, I will give you maybe 3 to 5 minutes for presentation and 2 to 3 minutes for, this is for presentation and this is for question answer. Okay, so these are the time allocation. And if your slide is too much that you cannot finish, you just begin your slide presentation and then your time is over. Then it is not a good presentation. Okay. So you must be time bound. You know where to start and you know where to finish. And you must know how to face question answer session in time. Okay. Now, let me tell you about question answer session. So when you are facing question, just give thanks to the questioner. That means who asked question. Just give him a thank. Okay. Thank you very much for your question. And you repeat the question. repeat. Why you should repeat the question? Repeat the question in your own sentence. Okay. This is because when you are repeating the question, your brain is working on that question to answer it properly. Okay. You are taking time. So first give the thank, and then you repeat the question that his or her question was blah, blah, blah. Or I suppose your question is this. And then you take the time, and in the meantime, your brain is ready to answer. Okay. So you are fighting panic situation by doing this. Got it? And then answer this. And those who are asking question, they should have follow some norm. And what is the norm? You just start with, for question, you start with this is for answer. Question, start with thank you very much, with thanks. Thank you very much. You have given a nice presentation or something like that. Your presentation was so nice. And then you tell, my question is, okay, my question is this. So this is for question and this is for answer. Have you got it?
Yeah, sir, I got it.
Okay. All right. Then what next? Grading is divided into maybe for synopsis. You are graded for documentation. Okay, documentation. You are given 40 marks here. Documentation means your synopsis is documented. The way you are going to document is I have given you idea about how to document your synopsis. Okay, so you are given 40 marks here. Second is for presentation. And in presentation, you are going for a presentation skill. What I have talked about, this presentation skills. Presentation skills, you are getting 20 marks. And in presentation skills, I have told you how to present your topic. So you are going to gain presentation skill. And then you are, I mean, in the presentation skill, you are going to link the ideas given. I mean, this linking is called the content. Okay, so your content should be well established and well linked. Linking the ideas. So you're getting only 20 marks here. Okay, and then you are getting marks for the topic knowledge. What you have learned from this synopsis is your knowledge about this topic. Okay, so you are getting some another 20 marks here. So 20, 20, 20, 60, and 40. Okay. All right. So these are the mark distribution. You are getting marks from this course. Up to this, I have given you some ideas about Examiner 2.